So in today's video, I'd like to give you a quick tour of the Brio office, kind of show you who works where, who does what. You've seen the shop before in some of our other videos, but today I'd kind of like to give you an overview of the office. Now, all of our Amish employees are gone today because it's Ascension Day, which is an Amish holiday, so you won't be seeing them. But first of all, we'll start behind me at the caffeination station where we kind of have our coffee maker, our fridge, everything here for our refreshments. We have the Brio logo behind me, and then we have our conference room table here where we kind of hash out all of our meetings and do brainstorming sessions. We got a big whiteboard here, and then kind of the rest of the office is through here. So on my right, there is the reception area. This is where people come in the front door, and then this hallway leads back to all the offices. So we'll start back in this corner with our office manager, Brandon Schleybaugh.
Hello.
And his right is Alex Smoker, works there, but he's getting married tomorrow, so he's not here today. Over here we have Ashley, who's our receptionist, and we have Krista, our marketing coordinator. And then back this way, we have our R&D and purchasing team. So Conrad here does our purchasing, and behind him is where Omar works, and he does our R&D. And then behind me here is Amos's office. Amos is our CEO. This is where he sits. And then over here is where Jeannie sits. She does some of our bookkeeping. Back in here, we have John Mark's office. He's the shop manager. So he's in the shop a lot and also out here managing the team in there. And then way back in the corner is where I sit, and I'm usually cranking out videos and working on different media projects and marketing things for us. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.